Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Change in momentum. Now remember, change in momentum is either you take initial minus final momentum or final minus initial momentum also can. So, but momentum is a vector, so you have to be careful. Like for example, the initial momentum is 0.1 times 20. If you want to subtract the final momentum, you must remember that the final momentum is to the left, opposite direction. So the momentum will be 0.1 times 30. But don't forget there's a negative in front. So what I will do is, maybe I'll write it in front here. Negative 0.1 times 30. So why is there this negative here? Because it is in the opposite direction. So in the end, what you will get is you can factorize out the 0.1 and then 20 minus 30 is plus, so therefore it is 50. So therefore you will get 5. So the answer will be 5 kilogram meter per second.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.